Gates open, they're up and racing. Hysteria as expected, draws for your lead. Go topless, my hope. Moving up, then Trinity Moon is by the rail, running in between runners. Queen Star running on the outside. Prapu Bell, best of Chimay, and Find Happiness is running at the tail of the field as they round a 3/4 mile distance. Hysteria in command by 3/4 of a length lead. Pressing up on the outside is the favorite, My Hope. Then racing in third, Trinity Moon running alongside Queen Star. Go topless comes next, then comes Prapu Bell. Best of Chimay remains second last, and Find Happiness is still running at the tail of the field past the half mile. Hysteria still leading the field, maintaining 3/4 of a length lead and pressing up Nawari outside. My Hope and throwing a challenge, now grabbing the lead past the last 600. My Hope now the leader, followed by Hysteria. Closing in third, Trinity Moon. Go topless arriving to the race 2 as the action turns to the last 450. My Hope now the leader, followed by Hysteria. Go topless running by the rail, Trinity Moon, best of Chimay, Queen Star, Prapu Bell, and Find Happiness with 150 to go. My Hope this time by about 6 lengths. Running in second, Trinity Moon moving up, best of Chimay, and finally My Hope. Best of Chimay, Go topless. Then comes Queen Star, Trinity Moon.